Switzerland, nestled in the heart of Europe, boasts breathtaking landscapes, from the majestic Alps to serene lakes and picturesque villages. Its cities, like Zurich and Geneva, blend modernity with rich history, evident in their well-preserved architecture and vibrant cultural scenes. Renowned for precision engineering and luxurious watches, Switzerland maintains a reputation for innovation and quality. Its efficient public transportation system allows visitors to explore with ease, whether skiing in the Alps or indulging in Swiss chocolate delights. With its commitment to neutrality and multiculturalism, Switzerland remains a haven of peace and diversity in the heart of Europe. Now we show some of top attraction best places and things to do in Switzerland. Before starting video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Lugano. Lugano, nestled in the southern Swiss canton of Ticino, exudes Mediterranean charm with its palm-lined promenades and azure waters of Lake Lugano. The city's picturesque old town is a maze of cobblestone streets, dotted with charming cafes and boutiques. Explore the historic churches and museums, or take a scenic funicular ride to the top of Monte Bre for panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains. Lugano's blend of Swiss efficiency and Italian flair makes it a captivating destination for travelers seeking culture, relaxation, and natural beauty in equal measure. Number 2. Geneva. Geneva, a cosmopolitan city nestled along the shores of Lake Geneva, is renowned for its international organizations, including the United Nations and the Red Cross. The cityscape is adorned with historic landmarks such as the Jet d'Eau fountain and the iconic flower clock. Stroll through the old town's narrow streets, lined with charming cafes and boutiques, or explore the shores of the lake for stunning panoramic views of the Alps. Geneva seamlessly blends culture, diplomacy, and natural beauty, making it a captivating destination for visitors from around the globe. Number 3. Zurich. Zurich, Switzerland's largest city, is a vibrant hub of culture, commerce, and innovation. Its historic old town is a maze of cobblestone streets lined with medieval buildings, while the Limmat River flows through the heart of the city, offering picturesque views at every turn. Art enthusiasts can explore world-class museums like the Kunsthaus Zurich, while foodies can indulge in the city's diverse culinary scene, from traditional Swiss dishes to international cuisine. With its efficient public transportation system, pristine parks, and bustling shopping districts, Zurich offers something for every traveler, blending history with modernity in a captivating Swiss setting. Number 4. Montreux. Montreux, nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva, is a picturesque Swiss town famed for its stunning natural beauty and vibrant cultural scene. The promenade, adorned with colorful flowers, offers breathtaking views of the lake and the surrounding Alps. Renowned for its annual Montreux Jazz Festival, the town attracts music enthusiasts from around the world to enjoy performances by international artists in its idyllic setting. Explore the historic Chillon Castle, stroll through the charming old town, or embark on a leisurely cruise along the lake. Montreux's blend of scenic splendor, cultural richness, and musical heritage makes it a captivating destination year-round. Number 5. Zermatt. Zermatt, nestled beneath the iconic Matterhorn Peak, is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. This car-free alpine village offers stunning vistas of snow-capped mountains and pristine glaciers. Renowned as a premier ski resort, Zermatt boasts a vast network of slopes and trails for skiing, snowboarding, and hiking in both winter and summer. The charming village center is adorned with traditional wooden chalets, upscale boutiques, and gourmet restaurants offering delectable Swiss cuisine. Whether adventuring on the slopes or soaking in the breathtaking scenery, Zermatt captivates visitors with its alpine beauty and outdoor adventures. Number 6. Jungfrau region. The Jungfrau region, nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps, is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Home to iconic peaks like the Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau, it offers breathtaking vistas of snow-capped mountains, glaciers, and alpine meadows. Visitors can embark on exhilarating adventures such as hiking, skiing, and snowboarding, or simply soak in the serene beauty of the surroundings. Charming villages like Grindelwald and Wengen provide a cozy base for exploring the region, while attractions like the Jungfraujoch railway station offer unparalleled views of the surrounding peaks. With its awe-inspiring scenery and endless outdoor activities, the Jungfrau region promises an unforgettable Swiss alpine experience. Number 7. Lausanne. Lausanne, perched on the northern shores of Lake Geneva, is a dynamic Swiss city blending history, culture, and natural beauty. Its charming old town, with its medieval streets and historic landmarks, contrasts with the modern flair of the Olympic Museum and the innovative EPFL campus. The city's waterfront promenades offer stunning views of the lake and the French Alps beyond. Explore the bustling markets, dine in gourmet restaurants, or visit the picturesque vineyards of Lavaux, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Lausanne's blend of tradition and innovation makes it a captivating destination for travelers seeking a unique Swiss experience. Number 8. Interlaken. Interlaken, nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, is a gateway to the Swiss Alps renowned for its stunning scenery and outdoor adventures. Surrounded by snow-capped peaks like the Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau, it offers a playground for activities such as hiking, skiing, and paragliding. The charming town center is dotted with cafes, boutiques, and traditional Swiss chalets, while the Hoheweg Promenade provides panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. Embark on a scenic boat cruise, ride the cogwheel train to Jungfraujoch, or simply soak in the breathtaking beauty of the Bernese Oberland. Interlaken captivates visitors with its alpine charm and endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Number 9. Bern. Bern, the capital of Switzerland, is a charming medieval city known for its well-preserved old town, UNESCO World Heritage Site status, and unique sandstone architecture. The bustling streets are lined with arcades, fountains, and historic buildings, including the iconic Zittglogge clock tower. Visitors can explore the city's rich cultural heritage, museums, and enjoy panoramic views from the Rose Garden. Bern offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and Swiss hospitality. Number 10. Appenzell District. The Appenzell District, located in northeastern Switzerland, is a picturesque region renowned for its traditional Swiss charm and stunning landscapes. Characterized by rolling green hills, quaint villages, and grazing cows with tinkling bells, it offers a glimpse into Switzerland's pastoral beauty. Visitors can explore the charming town of Appenzell with its well-preserved medieval architecture and vibrant local culture. The surrounding countryside invites outdoor enthusiasts to hike through lush meadows and rugged mountain trails, offering panoramic views of the Swiss countryside. Rich in tradition and natural splendor, the Appenzell District is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.